Hey. Hey, sweetheart. Wake up. Wake up. There you are. I was so worried. It's okay. It wasn't real. You were just having a nightmare. Oh, sweetheart. Hey, don't cry. It's over now. You're safe. Come here. Let me hold you. I've got you. I've got you. Babe, it's gonna be okay. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. You're safe. I promise. Just breathe with me, okay? In. And out. That's it. Just like that. Breathe in. And out. Good job, sweetheart. You're doing great. Just keep breathing, okay? I'm right here. I won't leave you. It's okay. You're okay now. Do you want to talk about it? You don't have to, but it might help. Was it pretty bad? Yeah, I could tell. You were thrashing around like crazy. It's okay, babe. I'm fine. I'm just worried about you. I don't want you to be scared. You're still pretty shaky. Do you want a snack? Some water? I'll be right back. Here you go, sweetheart. I got you some ice water, so drink up. Are you doing a little better? Good. Do you think you'll be able to go back to sleep? Oh, babe. I'm sorry. I guess I wouldn't be able to either after that. Do you want to cuddle? It might help you to calm down. Of course. Come on. You can lie on my chest. You're so warm. It's like you're my own personal weighted blanket. I'm just teasing. I do love holding you, though. It's just nice. I've got you, sweetheart. Just try to calm down. I know. Are you worried you'll have another nightmare? Yeah. I'm sorry. I wish I could do more. Although, well, it's just, now that I think about it, I might be able to help after all. You know how I've been hypnotizing you to help with your stress? Yeah? Good. I'm glad it gets you to relax a little. Would you want to try it again now? It might help you fall asleep, keep you from worrying about those nightmares. Of course I don't mind, sweetheart. I care about you. If anything I can do might help, then I want to try it. Alright. Let's see. You comfy? Warm enough? Good. I've got you. Just listen to my voice and I'll do my best to help you feel better. I want you to start by paying attention to your breathing. Feel that nice, slow in and out. Feel your lungs fill with air as you inhale and release it as you slowly exhale. Feel how your body starts to relax just a little. How it starts to grow heavy a little more with every breath. That's it. Focus on me, sweetheart. Focus on my voice. You're safe now. I've got you. All you have to do is breathe. Good. We're going to get you nice and relaxed, okay? One step at a time. As you breathe in and out, I want you to focus on that warm, heavy feeling that it gives you. That nice, calming feeling. Imagine that feeling moving to the top of your head. Now breathe deep and let that relaxation spread. Every breath lets it grow a little more until all that tension just drains out of your head. Just like that. Now feel it move to your face. All the stress in each little muscle melting away as you breathe. It feels good, doesn't it? Let that nice, relaxed feeling build as you breathe. Let your eyes flutter closed. That's it. Now let it move down your neck, down to your shoulders. Deep breath in and out. And feel them loosen up. Good. The tension just melts out of your shoulder muscles, and that warm, heavy feeling moves down your arms. It feels good. It feels good to listen and relax. And you can just keep listening as that feeling moves through your arms, your hands, your fingers, leaving them so warm and heavy. Yes, good job, sweetheart. I can tell you're already so relaxed for me. Let's keep going. I want you to let the feeling spread from your shoulders, down your chest, to your stomach, melting away all your tension as it does. Deep breath in and out. Each muscle growing warm and heavy. Feel all your stress fade away as that relaxation moves down, down through your hips, your thighs, your legs, every spot it touches growing more and more relaxed as it moves down further, all the way to your feet, all the way down until your whole body is filled with that warm, safe feeling. Your body is completely relaxed now. So relaxed and comfortable. So warm and heavy. Too heavy to move anymore. But you don't mind, do you? No. Why would you when you're so relaxed? You don't need to move anymore. You can just lie there and sink into the soft mattress and let me guide you deeper. Let's go back to your head, more specifically, your mind. I want you to let that warm, heavy feeling enter your mind. Let it spread through your mind with each breath you take. Good. You can feel your thoughts growing fuzzy, can't you? All your stresses, your worries, your fears, they're just melting away as the feeling spreads and spreads. There's no room for those thoughts anymore. There's hardly any room to think at all. There's just that pleasant feeling filling up your mind. Don't worry, sweetheart. You don't need to think right now. I'll do all the thinking for both of us. All you have to do is listen. Listen and I'll take you so much deeper. Make you feel so much better. In a moment, I'm going to count down from 10. With every number I say, you're going to grow even sleepier, even fuzzier, even more relaxed. Every word I say is going to bring you deeper and deeper. And when I hit 0, you're going to drop for me. You're going to fall into a trance. Deep, deep trance. Do you understand? Good. You're doing such a good job. Now, 10. You feel that, don't you? How your body responds to my words. 9. How every number melts your mind a little more. 8. Each one taking you farther down. 7. Each word I say making you fuzzier. 6. You're so warm, so safe, so sleepy. 5. Letting everything fade away. 4. Letting yourself drift now. 3. So close to that wonderful trance. 2. Feeling better and better with every word. 1. All the way down now, dropping deeper and deeper, and 0. Yes, sweetheart, just sleep for me. Fall into deep, hypnotic sleep. No more thoughts, no more fears. You're safe, safe and calm and mindless. You just listen now. Listen and obey. Yes, that's it. Everything is all right. I'll take care of you now. I'll take care of everything. It feels so good to be in a trance. It feels so good to be warm and heavy and hypnotized, to have your mind be blissfully empty. And the best part is you don't have to do anything at all. You can just relax and enjoy it. You don't even have to pay attention to my words anymore. You can just let them wash over you while you sleep. Good. You're so tired now. Tired and heavy. All you want to do is sleep. Deep and dreamless. Just give in to it. Give in to that exhaustion. Let it take you down, down, down. Everything's fading now as you drift off. That's it. Everything is fading away. All you have to do is let go. Let go, sweetheart. Let go and let sleep take you. I'll be here when you wake up. I'll always be here when you need me. But for now, it's time to sleep. Just sleep for me. Yes, sleep. Sweet dreams, sweetheart. Good night.